Hello everyone, welcome to Biolifeinfo. Today's topic is respiratory system, one of the most vital systems of our body. Without oxygen, life is impossible. And our respiratory system is the amazing network that brings oxygen in and removes carbon dioxide out. So let's dive deep into understanding how our lungs, airways, and breathing process work, and why taking care of this system is so important. What is the respiratory system? The respiratory system is the system in our body responsible for breathing. It includes nose and nasal, cavitipharynx, throat larynx, voice box trachea, windpipe bronchi and bronchiolus lungs, and alveoli. Its main function is gas exchange, taking in oxygen for our cells and removing carbon dioxide, which is a waste product of metabolism. Think of it as a delivery and cleaning service, delivering oxygen, removing carbon dioxide. How does breathing work? Breathing has two phases. 1. Inhalation inspiration. Air enters through the nose or mouth, passes through the trachea, bronchi, and reaches the lungs. The diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating space for the lungs to expand. Oxygen enters the alveoli. 2. Exhalation expiration. Diaphragm relaxes, lungs shrink back, and carbon dioxide-rich air is pushed out. Inside the alveoli, tiny air sacs. Oxygen moves into the blood through capillaries, while carbon dioxide moves from blood to alveoli to be exhaled. This process happens around 20,000 times a day in humans without us even noticing. Organs of the respiratory system. Let's break down each part. Nose and nasal cavity filters dust, warms and moistens air. Pharynx, passage for both air and food. Larynx, voice box, helps us speak and prevents food from entering windpipe. Trachea, windpipe supported by C-shaped cartilage rings to stay open. Bronchi and bronchioles, branches like a tree, carrying air deep inside lungs. Lungs, to spongy organs. Right lung has 3 lobes, left has 2 lobes. Alveoli, millions of tiny sacs where real gas exchange happens. The diaphragm is the powerful muscle under the lungs that controls breathing. Functions of the respiratory system: gas exchange, oxygen in, carbon dioxide out, regulation of blood pH, balances acidity, voice production through larynx, sense of smell, protection, nose hairs, mucus and cilia trap dust, bacteria and pollutants, diseases and disorders. Some common respiratory problems include asthma, narrowing of airways, difficulty in breathing, tuberculosis TB, bacterial infection of lungs, pneumonia infection causing fluid in lungs, bronchitis, inflammation of bronchi, lung cancer, abnormal cell growth, COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, long-term damage to lungs from smoking or pollution, common cold and flu, viral infections affecting nose, throat, lung show to keep lungs healthy. Avoid smoking and secondhand smoke. Exercise regularly. Deep breathing improves lung capacity. Thanks for watching Biolifeinfo. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and biology related knowledge.